Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, it was a pretty quiet day in the market today. We were down a smidge, looked like we might go lower, then it came back a bit. No great shakes, as they say. But there was one trade that happened that was pretty interesting because it was a pretty big one. And that trade was an Apple and it was a directional butterfly. So this trade popped up on our new trade trigger system, Wing Spread Genius, as you can see right here, that many of you participate in. So you probably saw this trade this morning. This trade happened at 9:56 and 33 seconds Eastern time, and then a very similar one that was about 20 times as big happened just about 14 seconds after that, when Apple was at $164.54. 255 and then 4,636. I mean, this comes out to almost 5,000 of these spreads traded right here. This was the June 23rd, 115, 125, 135 put butterfly. Now, if you're not familiar with how directional butterflies work, the way they work is basically, as with a regular butterfly, a neutral butterfly, you want the stock to be at the middle strike around or close to expiration. And if it gets there sooner, that's okay too, but you reach the bulk of your profit if it happens closer to expiration. So that price target is 125, and it looks like their time target might be a little out in the future. June 23rd is the expiration. So basically, it looks like this person believes and is making a pretty big bet that Apple stock will fall from its current level of about 164 or so all the way down to 125 over the next couple of months. Now, as far as this trade goes, a couple nuances when it comes to directional butterflies is that we can often get very good risk reward. Now, this trader only risks 29 cents a contract. Now, of course, when we're talking about 5,000 contracts, that ends up, coming out to about a $145,000 bet. But if this person is right, even if it happens early and even if the stock doesn't go exactly to 125, but just somewhere in that range, this person can have an extremely leveraged profit well into the seven figures. So I thought I would share what one professional trader out there is trading to give you a perspective on what that person might be thinking about where Apple stock might go. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.